Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we will read unit number 8, Energy. Lesson number 2, What is Light? We will read page number 92 and 94 of textbook. Today our learning objectives are that you will be able to learn how do we get light, what light can do for us. Today we will learn about light. Light is a kind of energy. We are not able to see without light. We get light from different sources like sun, star, candles, tube lights. Sun is the main source of light. First of all, I will tell you about transparent objects. Transparent objects allow light to pass through them. Examples of some transparent objects are air, glass, pure water. Light cannot pass through some objects like wall, door, and even you. Those objects are called opaque objects. When light cannot pass through objects, it makes shadow. A shadow forms when something blocks the light. Light travels in straight line. It bounces off objects that are smooth and shiny. For example, light bounces back to you from a mirror. That's why you can see your own image. Now students, open page number 92. Look at question number 1. First of all, I will read the text. Then you will draw one more object that makes light. Now listen carefully. What makes light? Light is a kind of energy. We can see light energy. Light comes from the sun, other stars, candles, and lamps too. Now students, look at the pictures. We have seen sun in the first picture, candles in second picture, third box is empty. Now you will draw anything that gives light like star, moon, or bulb. Now for question number 2, match the text with the pictures. I will read the sentences at first, then you will match it with the given pictures. First sentence is, fireflies makes their own light. Number 2, fireworks explode and give off light. Now students, you will match first sentence with second picture, firefly, and second sentence with first picture in which we have seen firework. Now open page number 93. Question number 3 is, why can you see light in the lantern? I will read the text that gives the concept that how can we see through some objects. Now listen carefully. Light shines through. Light passes through a window and thin paper. It will not pass through you. You make a shadow. A shadow forms when something blocks the light. Now I think you can better understand that light can pass through transparent objects, but it cannot pass through opaque objects. And when it cannot pass through an object, it forms shadow. Now students, question is, why can you see light in the lantern? In lantern, look at the picture. In lantern, transparent glass is used. That's why we can see light in it. Now move on, question number 4. Circle the objects that light can pass through. First picture is transparent bag. So you know that light can pass through transparent things. So circle it. Second picture is foil. That is opaque. Light cannot pass through it. Third picture is door. It also cannot allow the light to pass through it. Fourth picture is glass. Circle it because it is also transparent and light can pass through it. Fifth picture is glass vase. Light can pass through it, so circle it. Sixth picture is colored paper. It also can't allow the light to pass through it. Now look at question number 5. What causes a shadow? We have already discussed that when something blocks the light, it makes a shadow. Like if you will stand or sit in front of the light, you will block the light, so your shadow forms behind you. Now look at question number 6. Draw yourself and your shadow. In first box, picture is given with shadow. So take help from it and draw yourself and shadow in the given box. Now move on page number 94. Question number 7 is, why can you see yourself in a mirror? I will read the text at first. What can light do? Light travels in a straight line. It bounces off objects that are smooth and shiny. Light bounces back to you from a mirror. That is why you can see yourself. We have already discussed that how images can form. How can we see yourself in a mirror? Light bounces back from a smooth and shiny object. That's why we can see ourselves in a mirror. Now look at question number 8. Question number 8 is, look at the pictures. How do the shapes of the objects change what you see? Discuss as a class. Look at the first picture. Mirror gives the strange reflection of a girl. It shows that one girl stands on both sides. In second picture, we have seen the reflection of buildings in the given transparent thing. Buildings can't look straight in the image, but actually that are straight. The shapes change due to the shape of the given object. Look at question number 9. Mark the objects light bounces off. In first picture, we have seen spoon. It has a shiny surface, so light bounces off. So you will tick in the given box. In second picture, you will see back mirror. Mirror also bounces off light, so tick it also. In third picture, you have seen a door. It is an opaque object and cannot bounces off light, so don't tick it. Now look at fourth picture. You have seen marbles. They have shiny and smooth, so they bounces off light, so tick it. Now students, you will do homework. First of all, you will write day, homework and date on your notebook. Then you will do true, false. I will read the sentences at first. Light travels in a circle. Light bounces back to you from a mirror. A shadow forms when something blocks the light. Light passes through a wooden door. The main source of light is sun. So that's all for today, students. Have a nice day.